right, let's assume that we're having a virtual workday and you have to start a project using only your Chromebook. Now, this will not work with Word activities, but let's say we're doing Excel. We won't be able to do most of your textbook projects, but let's say we're doing an end-of-module project. So you're going to click on it. You'll hit the Start button to get started. Remember, if you've already clicked on something, it may be on a different screen and you may have to back up. So here I am with my step 1 of 2. I'm going to download my instructions. Now, you'll need to have gone ahead and created a virtual start files folder on your Google Drive. So in addition to the Chromebook uploads, let's have a CA virtual start files folder on your Google Drive. So I'm going to download my instructions and put them there. And then any additional start files that you have. So you might have the beginning Excel file, but in some chapters you might also have a picture. So if you have a picture, the picture also needs to be in there. So just remember, all start files for that project need to go into your virtual start file folder. And then we will purge that folder at the end of the project. Okay, so at this point now, we've got to get it from our virtual start files folder, which again will only house one project at a time, just like our Chromebook uploads folder. We've got to get this file onto our OneDrive. Now, we can grab it easily because it's on our Google Drive. So we're just going to hit Upload and Files, and then go to your virtual start files folder and grab the file that has your name. I forgot to put mine in the actual Excel one folder, but you would want to probably put it in the proper folder. We'll just drag it in there if I can get a hold of it, just to stay neat and tidy. Now, once you get that moved in there, you can go ahead and edit it. You may want to go ahead and rename it, or you can wait until you get in there. So whatever this one is supposed to be, I'll just click on it. In Mindtap, it's going to tell you what the finished file needs to be named, which is Tanya Skinner _2 at the end. So I can wait until it loads in here and rename it in the middle up here. So once you get it open in here, you can just go ahead and click up here where the little 1 is. Don't backspace everything, just the 1, if I can ever get my mouse over there. 2, and then click off. It will save automatically when you're in here, so at this point you're ready to go ahead and start working on the project. When you get your project finished, of course, you'll close it. It'll already be here in your OneDrive, and then you'll have to see the other video if you don't recall how to continue on. One thing that we would give you as advice, though, it is very difficult to try to deal with reading these instructions on your screen while at the same time trying to work in Excel. And you could do side by side, but we don't recommend it. So this screen here, I would suggest getting out your phone and taking just a screenshot of your steps a little bit at a time. So if this is my first one, I'd take a picture of that with my phone, and then take a picture of this with my phone. And this is a short project. You might even want to take a picture of the finished files if you have those available to you. So just remember, it's very difficult to do split screen on a Chromebook, and it would be best to use your phone to take those pictures. Once you get it finished and uploaded, remember you can get rid of all of these virtual start files because you won't be editing any of this from Google Chrome. You're going to only use from the OneDrive. So any further edits will come from here.